Hello student, we are from Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic Titwara, Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. Semester 3rd, Subject Database Management System and Principle of Database is for IF3R. Presented by Ms. Anita Shirture. Chapter number 3, Interactive SQL and Advantages of SQL Performance to Result. I think this chapter is given for the 14 marks. In previous video, we learn about the outer join, and in this video, we learn about learning outcome of this video. To detail about index and so the chapter number 3, Interactive SQL and Advantages SQL Performance Tuning. The remaining topics of indexes. The index. Sometimes the data in the database is very large. For examples, in the applications of a State Bank of India, the database related to customers and their transactions is very large. In such a case, the retrieval of data from such huge database becomes the slow. The indexes are the special lookup tables which are available to only database search engine for accessing the data. Indexes speed up data retrieval effectively. An index is a pointer to data in a table. It is similar to the alphabetical index of a book present at the end of book. An index is used to speed up select queries and also where clauses. But because of indexes, the data input related to insert and update statements gets slowed down. Indexes can be created or dropped with no effect on the data. Indexes is used to optimize the performance of a database by minimizing the number of disk accesses required where a query is processed. The index is a type of data structure. It is used to locate and access the data in a database table quickly. Indexes are used to quickly locate data without having to search every row in a database table every time a database table is accessed. Indexes can be created using one or more columns of a database table, providing the basis for both rapid random lookups and efficient access of ordered records. We know that the data is stored in the form of records. Every record has a key field which helps it to be recognized uniquely. Indexing is a data structures technique to efficiently retrieve the records from the database files based on some attributes on which the indexing has been done. Indexing in database systems is similar to what we see in books. The indexing is defined based on its indexing attributes. Next is types of indexes. There are the different types of indexes are as follows. The first is the simple index. Second, composite index. Third, unique index. And fourth, implicit index. First is simple index. This index is created on a single column of a table. The syntax of the simple index: the create index name is there on table name, then column name in bracket. For example, how to write this simple index? So the create index. The index name is the int1. Second is composite index. The composite indexing is a better option to index the data. Sometimes duplicate records may be available in a column. So this index is created on a multiple columns of a table. Then syntax of the composite index is the create index Index name is there on table name, column 1, comma, column 2. So composite index. Learning outcome of this video. To detail about index and to describe the types of index. Then next is the implicit index. Implicit indexes are indexes that are automatically created by the database server when an object is created. Such indexes are created for primary key and the unique constraints. Then the displaying index is there to display the index information regarding table. So following query is used, the syntax is there, the show index from the table name. Then how to write in this using this query, then show index, then from table name is the student, from student. Next is the dropping index. The purpose of the dropping index is to remove an index or domain index from the database. You can use the drop index. Database invalidates or cancels all objects that depends on the table, that is including views, packages, package bodies, functions and procedures. When you drop an index, the global partitions index is partitioned by a range or hash partitions index. If we drop this global partitions index, then all the index partitions also dropped. All the index partitions and the sub partitions are also dropped when you drop a composite partition index. The example, some questions regarding this topic. First question is, this question is MCQ type, multiple choice question. The first question is an indexing operations. A. Sort a file using a single key. B. Sort a file using two keys. C. They establish an index for a file. And D. Both B and C. So answer is establishing an index for a file. Then number second, the index consists of the first options are there, a list of keys. Second, B. Pointers to the master list. C. Options both A and B. And option D, all of the above. So the answer is C, both. Third question is, if you want to organize a file in multiple ways, it is better to dash the data rather than to sort it. Options A, delete. Option B, update. Option C, sort key. Option D, index. If you want to organize a file in a multiple ways, it is better to index the data. Thank you.